Brats, the company X Super Home, even though we've given them some not so lovable reviews, keeps sending us stuff. They sent us their newest facial interface. It has some new designs to try and block the light out a little more, make it different. Let's check it out and find out. So if you've been keeping up on the channel, you know that we got this crazy contraption here that I really like. This is the BoboVR F2. It's a fan that keeps you cool. It attaches to a facial interface and actually just hangs onto that. I'm gonna be sticking with this full time, I know that, but I'm at least gonna test out this one from X Super, because one thing that I didn't love about the BoboVR was the padding, and I've already pulled padding off another facial interface. If this one has padding I like better, or a nose guard I like better, I might try and move that over to this one. Well, I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna like the padding better, sadly, because it is cloth. It looks like it's probably very comfortable. It feels very nice, but for an active player, cloth just isn't an option. This is just gonna soak up all your sweat immediately when using it. I will say though, the nose guard, I really like. They sent this weird thing. It's supposed to also help kind of go around your eyes and keep some of the light bleed and stuff at bay. I don't know how I feel about that, but we'll try it out. This looks like a flu mask from back in the day. So those just slip on there, and they have these weird sticky outy parts. I feel like those are gonna touch me under my eyes and drive me crazy, but we're gonna trust the process for a minute here until we decide for ourselves. Okay, I really would like you to snap in place there. There we go. That is actually one of the more comfortable facial interfaces I've ever tried, and I'm having extremely little light leak because of this nose design. I can still see a little bit. I can see my fingertip just in that zone right there on each eye. But unlike a lot of them, it's not tickling my nose because it's putting a nice even pressure on it. Because like this one, it's just touching gently in the middle, where like the Bobo one you see over here, this is driving me crazy still. These are like flappy and they don't stay to shape. I do like that better. Honestly, I'm gonna see if it's extractable, and I would put that part on here. If you want a comfortable facial interface, something that feels really squishy nice on your face when you're playing gentle light games, this is a good facial interface. I play active games where I sweat. This would be the worst. It would absolutely soak up tons of sweat with the way the padding is. And yeah, you can take it off and try to clean it. Some people do like that, because instead of the sweat rolling into your eyes, it soaks into the cushion, and then after they can just clean the cushion. I'm personally not into that, but if you are, this might actually be something you like for the activity. I don't know why I said activity so weird. The eye things, I really don't know what the point of those are. They're not touching me like I was worried, and they're also not blocking my view of the headset internals, really. I can't tell you like why these things are here, what they're doing for me. They're just kind of there. I think they would be nice if you had a facial interface that was leaking light, but this comes with a black facial interface that's not leaking light. I have no idea what these are meant to do, and they don't seem to change my experience much at all. Fine facial interface. Honestly, facial interfaces are probably gonna be much less desirable now that Oculus is replacing all the stock ones and sending out free silicone covers, so the market for them is about to drop quite a bit. I don't see a lot of people buying this, but if you want something that's just really squishy and pillowy on your face and will hold your sweat, maybe it's for you. I don't think I have anything more to say about it. I want to say thank you so much for spending some of your time here with me today, and I will see you in another reality. I do want this, if possible. I don't know if I can get it to stay on this one, but if I can, that would make me happy.